Hi there, I'm Christy with the BTI. We love to cook a lot of traditional Korean meals in our home, and we found the best and most efficient way to do that is using a wok. I love this one from Souped Up. This is made with carbon steel, which is what we prefer because it's really durable. It will withstand really high temperatures. This one in particular comes pre-seasoned, which is so convenient, so you don't have to worry about the seasoning process at all. I love that this comes with its own lid and spatula. I've never owned a wok with a lid, but it makes a huge difference. So in addition to cooking Asian style meals in here, I had to cook 6 pounds of ground beef for a large group of people. And I used this, and because you have this lid to kind of trap the heat in, this did amazing at cooking 6 pounds of ground beef. Never would I have been able to fit that much food in any other cooking utensil. This comes with a user manual that lays out very specific instructions on how to care for it. So you want to set it on a burner when you're done washing it to help absorb all the moisture so it doesn't rust, and then add a little bit of cooking oil afterwards. If you like to cook Asian style meals or even just large portions, this wok is a total game changer in the kitchen. And that's my point of view.